The goal today is to catch snook on cut bait and lures. Let's see what happens. Fish on! Big snook, big snook. That's a big fish. That's a giant, dude. Somebody grab him, please. Oh, get that thing in here. Oh, look at the size of that snook, guys. That's the biggest snook I've ever caught in my life right there. That's a monster.
You ready?
Yeah.
41 and a quarter.
41 and a quarter. And there he goes. The biggest snook of my life. He's off. Guys, the fish was off, or we thought it was off, and now it's back on again.
Change species.
I don't know. I don't think so.
Bro, you think that's a snook?
I don't know.
This thing's gotta be
I
huge.
think he had a snook.
Bro, it's getting close.
Bro, it's a blacktip.
I think he might have had a snook first, but I think he lost. I think the bait came out.
These little ones scare the crap out of me, dude. Look at that.
Oh.
That's an impressive catch.
Oh, it's fun. I'm fun on a little 8-0. I'm not even too afraid up.
He bent your hook out a little bit, hey?
That's all right.
I think we got good fish on.
Big snook?
Yep.
Big snook, big snook. That's a big snook. Oh my God. That's a fat pig. That's a stud fish right there, Kyle.
That's a nice snook. You ready?
Yeah.
Oh,
I saw it.
a hair over 40.
Look at the size of that snook, guys. That's got a chest on it. Wow, there he goes. Huge snook, congratulations.
Oh, thank you.
Little snook on right here. Oh, nice fish, look at that. Oh, wow. Really nice fish on a lure. Solid 33, 34 inches at least. Let's let him go. Well, it's past midnight and we're gonna call it a night. We caught 3 really nice fish, 2 snook over 40 inches. Jason caught a really nice blacktip. Overall, it was a really great day fishing on the beach. We'll see you guys next time.
Blacktip H Fishing is brought to you by Bullbuster brand direct fishing lines.
Look at that cobia, guys. Look at that cobia. We got it done, man. Wow. That's a good cobia.